Hello friends, welcome to Club Crafteria. If you are new to this channel, subscribe my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. In this video, we are going to see how to do this beautiful circle bracelet. For this, we are using different colors of small scrunchies. So now let's see how to do them. First, take one dark color, place it like twist and place between two fingers. Next, take the same color and place it on two fingers as such. Next, place this bottom one on the top like this, bottom one on the top like this. Next, so you are going to use same color, place it in one side, twist, place it like this. Same way, place it on the other finger also. Next, place the color which we placed at the bottom. So for this circle, I'll be doing light color, and on the top, I'll be doing the dark color. Next, you're going to bring this on the top. Same way, this side on the top. And next, this on the top and this on the top. So you're going to repeat this. Next, you'll take two same color, twist it, place it here. Same way this side, twist and place. Take the dark color, you're placing on the top, place this light color on the top like this. Same way this side also. Next, bring this black on the top like this. So we have to repeat this till the required length you want. So next, take the same color and place it on the finger. Same way this side also. And take the dark one, place it on the top. Next, place this light color on the top of this dark one. Same way this side. Next, bring this black on top. So it looks like this. You are going to repeat this till the required size you want. So after doing them till the required size, it looks like this. Next. Circle bracelet looks like this. So if you like this video, like, share, comment this video, and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe and bell button to get more videos. Thank you friends.